Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing great and have wonderful evening or good morning or good afternoon. Lots of people actually ask a question that is very valid. Which one is more important and which one should I focus on first? Grammar, vocabulary, or pronunciation in English? In English language, of course. And this is very highly debatable kind of question, because the answer is multifaceted and there are multiple interpretations and everybody is saying something different, especially if they are expert and professional teachers or field teachers or EFL teachers or ESL teachers. It's really highly controversial and argumentative kind of topic. However, we should not treat these three skills as separate and as independent as some of the books treat them. The treatment of these skills in some books for sake of helping teachers teach them and deliver maximum amount of benefit to the students for these skills that are presented: grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Grammar is the cement of English language, and without grammar, there is no English that makes sense. When you want to say, and probably this is something that I've mentioned previously in one of the podcasts that I made on my page, when you want to make sense of any kind of thing that people say, you follow your grammar instinct, your grammatical instinct. So people are not going to say, unless they intend to say that for some sort of purpose. You do not come across people who say, dog I saw or I dog saw, unless they intentionally want to say that for grammatical purposes or because they are some sort of nerds. So the point to be made here, when we're talking about grammar, grammar is the syntax that makes sense to people to understand you and to be understood by people. Pronunciation is beautiful. It's the makeup of English language. Pronunciation constitutes the basic elements of being understandable in a beautiful way. And by pronunciation, of course, I'm not talking about accents or dialects. I'm talking about standard English pronunciations, and as well as vocabulary. Vocabulary is the basic bricks in the wall of English, and without vocabulary, people are not going to make any kind of sense of what you want to say, or they are not going to have the same perception of you as an English speaker because you have very limited set of vocabulary. Professional people use very highly advanced academic list of vocabulary. However, the kind of vocabulary that you need range between 400 and 3,000 words, depending on the context of use, whether that's a family, interpersonal, intrapersonal among people.